Hi everyone, welcome to V2V channel. So today in this video we are discussing about Officer Assistant Prelims paper in 2016. So before going up these questions, I am saying one thing. So we already completed some topics regarding quant and reasoning, and daily we are uploading one data interpretation question. See each information available at playlist in our YouTube channel. So just go through the playlist, you can get the information regarding all the topics. And I am requesting you guys to share this video to the maximum number of people. It helps to the each and every aspirant. Just see the first question. So first question related to the number series. First see, number series question means 12, 34, 54, 71 and 84. All are nearer to the one number to the other one. So if it is a nearer number series, simply find the difference between the numbers. So that is the logic for this question. If it is all the numbers are nearer to the one to another, just find the difference between the number. Okay, see the difference between 34 and 12 is exactly equal to 22. And the next one, 34 become a 54. We are just adding the variables of plus 20. Again 54 become a 71. 54 become a 71. See, if I go with a plus 6, 54 plus 6, 60, there is a border. After we have 11 variables, total we have a 17 variables we are increasing here. Next, 71 become a 84. 71 become a 84. See, if you add plus 9, that become a 90. Sorry. Okay, see, 71 become a 84. If you add 9, the value become 80. 80 plus 4 as a 13. So we are increasing 13 variables. What is the next addition? That is our number series. Then go see. Here 20 means we are decreasing 2 variables. Here we are decreasing 3 variables. Here we are decreasing 4 variables. Here we are decreasing 5 variables. So 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, we are decreasing 8 variables. See, then see 84 plus 8. So the value become 92. So the number series for after 84, the value become 92. Okay, just see the second question. 360, 72, 18, 6 dash and 3. What is the missing number here? See, in the number series topic, I will give you the logic here. See, if any number sudden increases, it means, see, if I consider this is the first number and this is the second number. If second number is more than or double the previous number, if second number is double or more than double than previous number, definitely the logic is related to the multiplication. So forward operation is a multiplication, reverse operation is a divisible. Then see, 360 become a 72, it is exactly divisible by 5 times. 72 become a 18, it is exactly divisible by 4 times. 18 become a 6, it is exactly divisible by 3 times. The next divisible value become 2. So 6 divisible by 2, the value become 3. Again 3 divisible by 1, value become a 3. So here missing number is equal to 3. You just see the third question. 120, 121, 117, 126, 110. See, the numbers are increases, decreases, increases, decreases. Definitely, there is a 2 operations we are performing. So, those operations are addition and subtraction. Then see, 120 become a 121. We are addition of plus 1. 121 become 117. We are decreasing 4 variables. 117 become 126. We are addition of 9 variables. 126 become 120, 110, the value we are decreasing 16 variables. Then see, here plus 1 square, minus 2 square, plus 3 square, minus 4 square, and we are adding 5 square value. 5 square value become 25. So 110 plus 25, the value become 135. This is the operation. So if you go with other logic, see, if sudden increases and sudden decreases happen, you can go through the alternative operation. See, this is the alternative. And this is the alternative. Okay, then see, 120 become a 117, we are decreasing minus 3 variable. 117 become a 110, we are decreasing 7 variables. In the same way, see, 121 become a 126, we are increasing 5 variables. Then check it out, minus 3, plus 5, minus 7, and the next answer become addition of plus 9. Then see, 126 plus 9, 126 plus 9, the value become 135. So this is the second logic. The next one. 3, 9, 45, 315. See, if second number is more than double or double, definitely the theory related to the multiplication. Then see, so here 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 7s are, see, 45 7s are 315. Then see, here 3, here 5, here 7, definitely this is the multiple of 9 times. Then check it out, 9 300s are 2700. 9 10s are 90, 9 5s are 45. Here the answer is 5, 3, 1 here. So 2, 8, 3, 5. So answer is equal to 2, 8, 3, 5. That is the number. Okay, see the next one. See 12, 14, 18, 26, 42. Each and every number is nearer to the other number. So if it is a nearer to the other number, go with the addition operation. Then see here we addition of 2 numbers. Here we are addition of 4 numbers. Here 18 become a 26. We are addition of 8 numbers. And 26 become a 42. We are addition of 16 numbers. See 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. We are addition of 32 variables. The total answer is equal to 74. Okay, let's go with the next question. 24% of 150 divisible by 3 by 4. First see, 24% of 150 can divide it into 20% plus 4%. We know that see, 100% is 150, 10% is 50, 20% is equal to 30. That is the value. And we know that 100% is 150, 10% is 15, 1% is equal to 1.5. See, 1% value become 1.5. We required 4% means these number I should multiple with a 4 times. The value become 6. So the value which is equal to 36 divisible by 3 by 4 can be written as 4 by 3. Then see 3 become 12 times, 12 4s are 48. Then answer is equal to 48. Next one. 32 into 4 power x exactly equal to 2048. We know that see 2 power 10 value exactly equals to 1024. It means 2 power 11 value exactly equal to 2048. We know the first information. Then see 32 we can write as 2 power 5. And 4 power x, see we have a rule here. A power n whole power n can be written as a power mn. Same thing 4 power x can be written as 2 power 2x exactly equal to 2 power 11. Then see we have other property. A power m into a power n can be written in terms of a power n plus n. In the same way 2 power 5 into 2 power 2x value become 2 power 5 plus 2x exactly equal to 2 power 11. If bases are equal, then equating the powers. If you equating the powers means 5 plus 2x is equal to 11, then 2x is equal to 6, then x is equal to 3. Okay, see the next one. 652.84 plus 482.26 plus x is equal to 1200. See, if it is a decimal, go with the addition. See, 0.84, 0.26, 80 plus 20, 100, 4 plus 6, 110 means after full stop we have a 10 and 1 be the carry forward. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Again 8 plus 5, 13, 1 here. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Here the value is 1135.10 plus x exactly equal to 1200. Just subtracted the value. See, we want 1135.10 become 1200. See, 0.10 means definitely the answer become 0.90. So we are completed one value. It means these value become 1136. Then see, 36 become 100. 36 become 100. If 36 become 100, the value we need to add 64 variables. Then answer is equal to 64.90. The next one, see, 60% of 250 minus x exactly equal to 75. What is the value of x? See, 60% I can divide it 50% plus 10%. 50% means see, 100% is 250. 50% value become 125. Again see, we require 10%. 100% is 250, 10% value become 25. So here 60% of 250 value become 150. Then we need to subtract it 75. 150 minus 75, the value of x become 75. So here 75 is the answer. 681 plus x into 40 exactly equal to 1161. Find the value of x. See, first we need to subtract these values. See, 81. Directly you can go with the 1 minus 1, 0. 16 minus 8, 8. 10 minus 6, 4. So the value of x into 40 is equal to 480. Then 0, 0 cancel. Then x value become 12. So x can be replaced as the value of 12. 64 square minus 36 square exactly equal to 20 into x. See, so don't go with the 64 square value, 36 square value. Subtracting it takes a time. Simply see. We know that this is the a square value and this is the b square value. We know the formula of a square minus b square. A square minus b square can define as a plus b into a minus b. Then see, we will go with the value of 64 plus 36. The value become 100. And 64 minus 36. 64 minus 36 means see, if you add 4, so 34 plus 4 will become a 40. Again, extra 40 we have it 24. 24 plus 4 value become 28. Exactly equal to 20 into x. Then 0, 0 cancel. 2 become 14 times. Then x value become 14. The next one. 263 into 342 plus 369 is equal to how much? See, if it is a 3 digit multiplication, 263, 342. Go with the first value. 2 3s are 6. Next value 4 2s are 8. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. 2 here. And next number. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 6 4s are 24. If I add all the numbers, 4 plus 4 28. 28 plus 9 is equal to 37. See, 37 means 7 here, 3 here. Next, 6 2s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. 4 here, 2 here. And finally 3 2s are 6. The resultant is 6 4 9 9 8. For these number I should add 369. If you add 369, see here, here 5, here 1, here 3, here 0, and we will go to 1 forward, so 9. So answer is equal to 90,315 for these resultant. See the next one. 3160 minus 2460 exactly equal to x into 35. See, here 60 is exactly cancelled. So 31 24 we left with a 700. 700 value is exactly equal to x into 35. So x value becomes, so 35 2s are 70 and x value become 20. That is the answer. 128 divisible by 16 into x minus of 7 into 2 divisible by 7 square minus 8 into 6 plus x square. We need to find the value of x. See, first of all, 16 1s are 16, 16 8s are 16 8s are 128, and finally the value become 8x minus 14 exactly equal to 7 square 49, 6 8s are 48. 49 minus 48 value become 1 plus x square is equal to 1. Then we will go to the quadratic equation. See, 8x minus 14 exactly equal to x square plus 1. If you take it as the other side, the value become x square plus x, 8x become minus of 8x, minus 14 become plus 14. So plus 14 plus 1 value become 15 exactly equal to 0. Then we will go with the quadratic equation. See, x square, 8x can be written as 5x minus 3x plus 15 exactly equal to 0. Then find the value. X, if you common with the x, the value become x minus 5. If you common here by the 3, we get the value of x minus 5. Finally, we get x value become 3 or 5. Choose as an option, either answer is equal to 3 or 5. 55% of 260 minus x exactly equal to 54 minus 19. Find the x. See, 55% means 50% plus 5%. 50% value become 130. If 50% is 130, 5% value become only 13. Clear? If you add all these numbers, the value become 143. See, then 143 minus of x exactly equal to 54 minus 19. For example, 54 minus 20, 34. If you add one more number, the value become 35. Then find the value of x. X is equal to 143 minus 35. See here, 35 become a 43. We have a 8 variables. The total difference is equal to 108. Next question, see. So in this question, we have a brackets. If it is a brackets, go with a proper calculation. See, first of all, see, go with a line by line. 45 minus 28 minus 37. First, we can go with these operation. Minus of 15, the value become minus 15. And minus into minus, the value become plus. Exactly equal to 58. We have one more bracket. Again, if you go to one more one, 45 minus 28 minus 37 minus 15. 37 minus 15 value become 22 plus x here. The value again equal to 58. Then see, if 45 minus 28 minus of 22, we just multiply with a minus of minus of x exactly equal to 58. Then see, if it is a 45 minus 28 minus 22, the value become 6. So 6 minus x value exactly equal to 58. And final value here, 45 minus 6 plus x exactly equal to 58. Then see, 45 minus 6 is equal to 39. 39 plus x is exactly equal to 58. Then x is equal to 58 minus 39. Then see, we have a 9. 18 minus 9 and 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. The next value can be replaced by 19. Next one, see. 3 fifth of 4 seventh of 5 ninth of 21 by 24 of 504. Just go with the cancellations here. 5 cancel. Again, so we have 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are, and 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are. Again 7 cancel. 4 become a 6 times. Then finally we have 504 divisible by 6. See, 6 become a 8 times. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48 means we left with a 24. 6 4s are 24. The answer become 24. Okay, for these type of questions, see, for these type of question you can check with the right to left. Don't go with the left to right. First see, if 225 we know the perfect square value is equal to 15, and 154 plus 15 the value become 169. 169 value become 13, and 108 plus 13 value become 121. 121 value become 11. 25 plus 11 value become 36. 36 value become 6, and 10 plus 6 finally we get the under root of 16. Under root of 16 the value become 4. Let's see, 364 plus 514 minus of x divisible by 4 exactly equal to 200. First see, divisible by 4, it means if you go with other operation the value become a multiplication. So 200 into 4 is equal to 800. Then see, if you add these numbers, 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 3 8, 878. Then 878 minus of x is equal to 800. The value of x become 78. These are the simplification questions. See, we'll go with the data interpretation. See, first there is a table given. People watched 4 different movies W, X, Y, Z in during 5 days. So there is a 5 days from Monday to Friday, and these are the people who are watching different movies in different days. So this is the sheet. We'll go to the first question. What was the respective ratio between the total number of people who watched movie X? So movie X on Monday, Wednesday together. So Monday, Wednesday movie X. Monday 30 members, Wednesday 36 members. See, 30 plus 36, the value become 66 members together. And those who watched Z movie on the same day. So same day means Monday watching 50 members, Wednesday watching 58 members. The total numbers are 108 members. So we need to find the ratio. Find the ratio means 66 is to 108. So we'll go to the 3 table. 3 2 2s are, 3 3s are 9, and 3 6s are 18. So 2 11s are, 2 18s are. So the respective ratio is 11 is to 18. This is the question. What was the difference between the total number of people who watched the movies X and Z together? X, Z together, Tuesday. See, Tuesday X and Z together means 34 persons plus 55 persons. The value become 89. And the same person who watched same movies on Thursday. See, if you go with the Thursday here, Thursday X is equal to 30 members and Z is equal to 60 members. The total become 90. Here my question, we need to find the difference. The difference between these movies together watch is equal to 1 only. What was the average number of people who watched the movies W on Monday, Wednesday, Friday? See, Monday, Wednesday, Friday we need for W. See, W Monday 28 persons are watching, and 18 persons are watching on Wednesday, and 32 persons are watching on Friday. See, 18 plus 32 become a 50, 50 plus 28 becomes 78. So we need to find the average. Average is equal to sum divisible by number. Total we have a 3 numbers. Then go with the cancellation. So 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18. The average of these 3 movies watching is equal to 26 members. The number of people who watched movies Y on Wednesday. See, the number of people who are watched Y movie on Wednesday. Y movie on Wednesday is 55. Is approximately what percentage of those? Approximately means that is divisible by what percentage of watched same number of movies in Friday. See, same person, so same movie Y on Friday. So on Friday means see, Y on Friday is exactly equal to 32 into 100. This is the cancellation. Cancel. See here. So 5500 divisible by 32. We required an approximation. See, 32 become 550. 32 ones are 32. See here. I will go with the 32 ones are 32. So 32 ones are 33. We left with the 230. Again 32 into 7s. So 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 22 means 7 times here. So we left with a remainder of 60. Again 32 become a 60. Approximately, we required approximately means the value which is exactly equal to 172%. The number of people who watched movie Z on Saturday was 32 more than those who watched same movie on Friday. Z movie Friday. See, Z movie Friday watching total number of people are 68. He said that same movie who are watching on Saturday is 32 members more. So 68 plus 32, 68 plus 32, 100 members. See, 100 members who are watching on Saturday. See, what was the total number of people who watched movie Z on Saturday? See, movie Z on Saturday, the total number of people who are watched means that is exactly equal to 100 members. So these are the questions are related from 2016 prelims paper. Please share this video to the maximum number of students. It helps to others. Thank you.